chocolate hazelnut tart. Here's some backstory. About 2 years ago, we went to Disney. Toy Story Land just opened up, and at the, I believe it's called Woody's Lunchbox, there were these different flavored tarts, or Pop-Tarts almost. It was the most amazing thing I have ever eaten. You know the drill. We're cooking with cats. I know the deal this time. I'm gonna be on the lookout. Do not turn your back. Am I good? Am I good to go? It's so good. I continue to daydream about this tart on like a daily basis. So, with all of these wonderful Disney snacks making an appearance, I decided, hey, is there a recipe online for this? Because if I can learn how to cook this, game changer. Quarantine game changer. I found a recipe. I like that this tells you that I need to be using a electric mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. That's amazing, because I never know which one I'm supposed to use. Don't know what a paddle attachment is. Oh, paddle attachment. Paddle attachment. It says coarse salt. So let's go to the biggest one. What am I doing? 2 teaspoons. Okay. 4 cups of all-purpose flour sifted. 4 cups, that's a lot of cups. Sure. That was 1. Do you remember how many I just put in? 3? What was that for? Gonna have to watch the video. After reviewing those videotapes, I have discovered that I put 3 in. 1 more. Oh, it wasn't sifted. Can I still sift it? Half a cup of sugar. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Sugar. I used to bake with my mother, because yes, she did attempt to teach me. Hey, I see you. My mother did attempt to teach me how to cook, and when I used to bake with her, I used to just wait for her to drop the brown sugar on the counter, and then I could eat it. I do 3 sticks of unsalted butter, chilled and cubed. Unsalted butter. Listen, we are in desperate times. There was hardly any butter at the grocery store. Stop it. So, cubed and chilled. So this just came out of the refrigerator, so I'm hoping that's what chilled is. I'm going to cubes. I have group text messages just blowing up my phone. Jonesy, something about nutrition, as I'm throwing butter into this bowl. She's over there spending this quarantine trying to get healthier. I'm over here trying to make as many sweet foods as I possibly can. Am I done? No. Oil. Oil. How do I... I think that's it. It went everywhere. That wasn't even medium. No, stay in there. I can't do medium speed, it goes everywhere. Georgie, I don't know. Oh, it's supposed to be locked. You kind of look better. Yeah, looks like something. Okay, now what? Add the water and mix on low speed for 1 minute. How much water? 10 tablespoons. I just threw it all in here. I did measure 10 quickly before I broke it. Okay, so just add it and don't come out now. Increase speed and blend until dough is smooth and do not overmix. George! Well, you're not really doing any. Ooh, oh, it's been a minute. I've already overmixed. I'm supposed to, like, speed mix it. Doesn't tell me for how long, though. Just till it's smooth and not anymore. Very smooth. How important is the bowl shape? Ta-da! We are now putting this in the refrigerator for 45 minutes and then we will be back. Welcome back. Step 1, preheat oven to 375. What was I doing again? Set aside. Lightly flour. Is that light enough? What? It's not exactly a rectangle. Were you a fourth? I don't know. Maybe I rolled it out too thin. Can I hope this didn't make me just mess up. Cut into 8, 2 by 6, so 4. That's not gonna work. Needs to be a little bit. Okay. So 6. Do I think they're a little too thin? I do. I think they're more of an 1/8 rather than a 4th, but Spread 1 tablespoon of chocolate hazelnut spread on the rectangle. Chocolate hazelnut spread? I didn't make that. Do I just use this? How do I spread this? How am I supposed to spread that? How am I supposed to spread this? What? How do I spread it? But no.
And then you sandwich more on top?
Yeah. Can you hand me inside of there? There's a big old ball of dough. The top of the chocolate hazelnut and seal edges with a fork. Why are they so much longer? So much bigger. Oh, there's some. Okay. You go back. Stay. I feel like I need to. That's probably not what you're supposed to do. Probably shouldn't like cut and paste a pastry, but you actually worked out really well. Oh my god, that was my best one yet. Is there a thing that's too much? I don't know. Maybe. And there we have our tarts. Oh, that parchment might be too much. Ooh. Is that bad?
17 minutes, starting now.
We're just waiting for those to come out of the oven. We have to let them cool, which is gonna be annoying. So we're gonna start making the icing. 2 tablespoons of milk divided. Why? So we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of the milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't understand this. Can somebody please tell me why I'm using lemon juice in my icing? Because I'd like to know. Teaspoon. So it's gonna make it sour? Cat hair. This might actually be good. 4 strips of bacon, cooked and crumbled. So, because I'm me, I have microwave bacon. But I also found it's thick cut and it is maple flavor. So I feel like that might be kind of good. Oh, I don't think you look done until golden brown. Is that a golden brown? So I honestly don't know. Is that golden brown? I don't know. I need help. Is this what golden brown looks like? Tagged like 6 people who are always helping me on my videos. Help! I think we're just not gonna put them back in the oven. That is a whole lot darker than what these look like. I just really gooey this. People are commenting. Not you. Could go in for a bit longer. The middle part looks a little doughy. Not quite, but almost. Oh no. Thank you, Cody and Angel. You're my heroes. Hi, Bubba. Where have you been? Nope, Bubba. No. Probably more like another 5 minutes. Ooh. Oh, because the oven wasn't fully set. Okay. Lori, 2 ingredient ice cream bread. Ice cream bread? What? Just flour and ice cream? Oh my gosh, Angel, that is so much more crispier than what mine look like. Don't get too burnt. What are you doing, Bubba? What? Hi, Sebastian. Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and frost this guy. Oh. Not bad. I don't think there's enough hazelnut.